What is up, everybody? How's it going? So today we're going to be doing a quick introduction to the channel for the Metabo 36V triple hammer kit. There's two variants of this kit. I'll give you guys a little bit of rundown on that, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? Hope you guys are doing well. Don't forget to smush the bell notification icon and click like and subscribe. So today we're going to be talking about, and this is just a quick introduction video, we're talking about the Metabo HPT cordless impact driver. It is the 36V model triple hammer. I also do have the 18V model sitting here for comparison. So, quick info on the video. What you get in this particular kit is you get Metabo HPT 14.4, 18V, and 36V multi-volt charger. You get two 2.5 amp hour batteries. These are 2.5 amp hours in 36V mode, and they are 5 amp hour in 18V mode. And you get this hard case right here. Now this right here is the 4 amp hour also for 4 amp hour 36V, and it is the 8 amp hour 18V battery. So it's a little bit bigger in comparison. It sticks out a lot further off the tool. There you go. I'll get you guys in close. Kind of turn the tool so you can see it a little better. So definitely more compact with these batteries. Now there's two versions of this kit. This kit right here, I'm going to move the impact drivers out the way. This kit is Whiskey Henry 36 Delta Bravo Greg. And you can use the AC adapter that I do have on these 36V tools if you wanted to. So Whiskey Henry 36 Delta Bravo bracket Greg is the model of this kit that comes with this impact driver. This has multi-volt right here where my thumb is. Brushless IP56 Metabo HPT triple hammer. This kit comes with two of the 2.5s. Now if you want to get the kit that comes with two of these 4 amp hour batteries, which are the bigger batteries, you can get this triple hammer right here, 36V model. You can get it with two of these 4 amp hour, 8 amp hour batteries if you do not want to grab two of the 2.5 or 5 amp hour batteries. And the kit difference between this one and the one that has the 4s is it would be Whiskey Henry 36 Delta Bravo no G. If you look at it online, it could also be variant for the 4 amp hour kit, Whiskey Henry 36 Delta Bravo M. So I'll give that info real quick. Let me show you guys real quick as well. So this one is with impact driver 4 amp hour times 2 Metabo HP kit. So it would be Whiskey Henry 36 Delta Bravo. Scroll down. In the information, it includes two 36V multi-volt 4 amp hour batteries, charger, and case. So that would be two of these guys, which is the 4 and 8 amp hour. If you look up, and Lowe's sells both of them. It does not matter whether it's this kit that I picked up or the kit that has the two 4 amp hour, 8 amp hour batteries compared to this one with the two 2.5/5 amp hour batteries. The price is exactly the same. You get this kit right here for $279. For me, it was $300 out the door with tax. So $300, or you could look at it as just the $279 if you want. It's $279 for this kit, these two batteries, the tool, charger, and that hard case right there. So the 4 amp hour kit, other than you take the G off, it's also $279. That kit isn't available at the moment for some reason through Lowe's. They don't carry it in store. Lowe's only carries this kit in stores. They also have the 36 volt triple hammer, or not the triple hammer, but the 36 volt hammer drill, also available in store in this kit form. Tool, two 2.5s or 5 amp hour batteries depending on the voltage of the tool. So these batteries on this triple hammer right here, these batteries right here are 5 amp hours, but when you put them on this 36 volt tool, it is a 2.5 amp hour, which should be plenty for all day use. These impact drivers don't take a lot of power and juice from the batteries, so be mindful. If you want the 4 amp hour kit with the big batteries, if you have the table saw like I do, which is why I have one of the bigger batteries, you might want to pick up that kit instead and just order it online. If you don't mind going to the store and picking it up with the smaller 2.5 5 amp hour batteries, then I would pick this kit up at Lowe's. I got this from Lowe's. So we're gonna move the charger out the way, and we're gonna move the impact driver out the way and the extra battery. And we're going to talk about the information on the box real quick. So this includes 36 volt 2.5 amp hour times 2, which is, it's a 2.5 amp hour in 36 volt mode. It's a 5 amp hour in 18 volt mode. The 4 amp, if the box shows 36 volt 4 amp hour times 2, that would be where you remove the G. So it'd be just Whiskey Henry 36 David Bravo. That 4 amp hour times 2 in 36 volt mode is actually an 8 amp hour. So 1,859 inch-pounds max torque, which is a several foot-pounds more than the new Metabo, or not the Metabo, but the new Makita. So the 36 volt triple hammer, this guy right here, is about 210 or so inch-pounds more than this brand new Makita. And this one is XDT16. This is the newest 18 volt model. So this has a couple hundred inch-pounds more, which is not much. But if you convert 1,859 inch-pounds into foot-pounds, it comes out to be 154 foot-pounds. So this tool will push 154 foot-pounds. Now, the 18 volt model, I'll move the 36 volt model to the left. Slide the box back real quick and then we'll read the specs. This is the 36 volt model. The differences are, as an example, the 18 volt model has the battery indicator button, and it's got the on off with trigger and off for the light right here. And this is the same, where on the 36 volt model, if you don't know, it will say MV multi-volt right here where my finger's pointing. It's kind of hard to show you guys without hitting the camera. Yeah, it's kind of hard to show you guys. It's just the angle. But it says multi-volt right there. It's got the on, off. So on permanently for the light, on, off with the trigger, and then you push it again and it's off. This side is exactly the same. Soft mode, normal mode, power mode, and self-tap mode. That's the 3 modes. The other differences between the 18 volt right here, and the 36 volt on this side. So the 36 volt, the brushless emblem is small. The IP56 rating sticker is right next to the brushless, and they put the multi-volt emblem here. On the 18 volt, this multi-volt emblem is not here, and the IP56 sticker is over here, as you can see right there. So that's the differences. Now, the differences between these two guys, just so you know, the 36 volt model to the left, this guy right here, is only 2 foot-pounds max more than this guy. So the 18 volt model is 1820, I think it's 1823 inch-pounds. The 36 volt model is 1859 inch-pounds. If you really convert them, it goes from 100. This 18 volt model is 152 foot-pounds, and the 36 volt model is 154 foot-pounds if you want to convert it from inch-pounds. The only other difference is the 18 volt version is 4,000 RPM, or impacts per minute, not RPM, and the multi-volt 36 volt model is 4,100 RPMs. So it's a little bit faster, 100 RPMs faster. And flip the box, the side. Drive information for the 36 volt model, 1/4 inch, 6.35 millimeter hex. No load speed, 0 to 900, and then 2,900 RPM max. Impact rate is 0 to 4,100 impacts per minute. So I think I made a mistake, and if I did, I'm going to correct myself. The 18 volt model is 4,000 impacts per minute. If I said RPM, I apologize. The multi-volt model that I have my finger on right here is 4,100 impacts per minute. Small screw. That's one thing I like about Metabo, is these are the modes. So mode 1, which is soft mode, small screw 5, 32nd to 3/8 or 4 to 10 millimeter. Ordinary bolt would be normal mode, 3/16 to 23/32 or 5 to 18 millimeter, and high tension bolt would be power mode, 3/16 to 9/16 or 5 to 14 millimeter. Battery amp hours 2.5. Tool weight with a 2.5 amp hour battery is 3.5 pounds. And I did weigh these tools, did do specs, weights and measures and everything, and it does come out to being pretty dang close to 3.5 pounds. That's pretty much all I got for you guys today. This is just going to be the introduction video. I hope it was helpful. It will get you prepared for seeing it on the channel. And put everything back real quick. There we go. So you get tool, 2.5 amp hour batteries, which $279 is not a bad deal, because these 2.5 amp hour batteries are $139 a piece. If you get just one of these bare bones, you buy the battery itself. This is $189 at Lowe's. So the better deal at the $279 price, in my opinion, is the two 4 amp hour, 8 amp hour multi-volt batteries. I don't know why, but I just dropped out the flex volt for some reason. This is not DeWalt. Come on, Antonio, get it together. So $189 for this battery, which is the 36 volt, 18 volt, multi-volt Metabo battery. This battery is $189 bare bones. You just buy the battery itself. And if you buy this battery with one of these chargers, it's $199. You know, and sometimes you can find these at Lowe's with a charger, or without the charger, just the battery. Sometimes they're $179 just the battery, and $199 for $20 more you get the charger. But the better deal, in my opinion, at $279 plus whatever tax you're going to pay in your area. For me, it was $20 in tax. So it was 280 plus 20 is 300. It was exactly 300 out the door, no change, anything like that for me. So I would grab the kit. If you have to order it online, I would grab the kit that has the two 4 amp hours / 8 amp hours. So 4 amp hour in the 36 volt mode and 8 amp hour in 18 volt mode. But if you just want the smaller batteries, you know, I like these 5 amp hour batteries. I was kind of upset that I didn't get the 4s, but you know, now I got these two. I plan on getting the hammer drill with two more of these 2.5s. So these should work in the table saw just fine. No big deal. Not too worried about it. It does feel nicer in the hand. It is a lot more balanced with the 2.5 compared to the 4. You can see it's a little bit more front heavy with this battery. So if you bring them up close, it's definitely more compact with the 2.5. It feels a lot lighter. This tool is exactly like 5 ounces. No, it's not 5 ounces. It's like 0.2 of an ounce heavier than this tool. So if you put the 4 amp hour battery on the multi-volt 36 volt tool, it's like 2.5 ounces heavier compared to if you just have the multi-volt 36 volt tool on the 2.5. I honestly feel that this is the better kit when it comes to balance, where if you want pure power, this is the and price point and what you're going to be saving. The two 4 amp hour kit's probably going to be better for your money, because you know, you basically look at $279 plus tax, say it's $300 for you. You're looking at, with the two 4 amp hour batteries / 8 amp hour batteries, that makes up the price of the kit. So you're basically getting the impact driver and the charger and the case for free in all sense, in that case. So it's all dependent on what you guys want. If you guys need bigger batteries because you got the table saw and the router and everything else, then you're more than likely going to want the kit with the bigger batteries. And you can get the hammer drill as well in these two kit variants, with the 2.5 amp hour, which Lowe's sells in store, or the 4 amp hour, which you can get online. You can get them online at Lowe's online as well. So I hope the information was helpful. This is just an introduction video. Sorry it went so long. Do appreciate you guys sticking around. Please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. One last thing, want to say thank you to all the subscribers, non-subscribers, the people that just watch, people that click the like, the dislike, and the people that use the affiliate links. It helps out a ton. The channel is now paying for tools, wood, and other things. I'm going to go pick up some wood with the money that I got from the channel. We're going to start doing demo videos between these two tools, the Makita 18 volt, the Makita 40 volt. We're going to be putting them head to head with the 36 volt Makita compared to the 40 volt Makita that just came out, as well as the DeWalt 12 volt, DeWalt 20 volt, as well as Flex Volt 60 volt tools. We'll be putting them head to head against the Milwaukees as well, 18 volt Milwaukees, 12 volt Milwaukees, 12 volt DeWalt Extremes, and everything else. So the guys keep watching the channel, and very much appreciate it. It brings money in, and that money goes towards to buying stuff for the channel. So I do want to say thank you guys so much. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!